Welcome to the channel on the surf. Here is the family, Sandra, Hector and Jack. My name is Jimmy and we are the family that lives on the surf. Oj, vänta lite. Får jag låna? Ja, vänta. Du får inte rycka för då kommer jag på det här fingret. Ja, då får du ha spött på det hållet. Ja. Snyggt! Så får du veva lite. Vänta lite, den har inte fällts ner byglen. Kan du peta på den? Snyggt! Ja, jag fixar här.
Okej. Va? Har du sänkt den nu?
Nej, den är på. Den filmar på fullt.
Film! Vi måste ju... där.
Hector, kan du hålla den? Vinkla upp kameran lite. Vänta lite.
Vink.
Så ja. Yeah, now it's my turn. Hector, jag syns inte på skärmen. Yeah, now it's my turn. Hector wanted to hold the camera instead. Whoop, wind is catching us. So yeah, now we are gonna put the camera away and try this a little more serious. So, give a bit up. No, yeah, we are giving up fishing for the moment. Hector hurt his leg. Can you visa benet? Yeah, just a small scratch. So now we're gonna play around with the dinghy for a while until the rest of the family arrives. So hang on. Är du beredd, Hector? Är du beredd? Så du vet när vi passerar bojen där, då kan vi ge full gas. Håller du i dig? 3, 2, 1. today it's just some small projects. I'm gonna start with fully screw these hinges, since I've been tried it out for a while and it works great. And then we're gonna do the same on the aft cabin door. Ta-da! So yeah, now it's time to do the same here, but that door's gonna need a bit more work, because since you see here it's quite a big gap, so I didn't have to notch anything, just work by removing the hinges. But here on the aft, the tolerance are a lot less, so I'm gonna have to grind out a bit here to be able to fold it in the same as it is here, or maybe just flip it around. Yeah, we will see. I will try and just flip it around. No, that's gonna look strange with the vents down there. And it's just to start filing it down. This is gonna take quite a while, so be back when I'm done grinding. So that's one notch. I'm gonna take a break, and then I'm gonna go and build a floating dock, or help building a floating dock for the boat show that starts now on Friday. It's insanely hot. A cold drink, then go build stuff, then get back and do the second one. So now both of the grooves are grinded out, so now it's just time to remove the hinges. Yeah, just fill screw it. So yeah, there you have it. Now the door is open and it's nothing in the way here when we are sliding in and out. Still easy to close. You can still lock it. And it's the same here. Ta-da! But this can still flap around in the waves, so I'm just gonna find a small magnet that looks good and put in between. The type you have in the cabinets in the kitchen and stuff like that. So this one won't flap around. And same here. Ta-da! Yeah, so that's it for today. As far as boat projects go, it's insanely hot in the boat today. I can't work, can't think, can't do anything. So grab a cold one, then call it a day. This boat is one of those we are gonna do a really big deep dive in. It was my favorite last year. It was the closest one to the one we have. Like, if I wanted to replace the boat we have now with something, it would have been this, the Ecuador 300 HT. But this year's model, it's not wider, but the hull is straighter, so it's wider inside, so it's supposed to be even more room in this year. But we can't jump in yet because Jack is eating ice cream, so we have to wait a bit. Yeah, now we are in the Ecuador 300 HT. It was one of my favorite boats last year. Jack, ta det försiktigt. Yeah, and this year I have Jack with me. And yeah, let's... Ska du följa med? Ska du följa med? Titta här framme.
Får man gå?
Ja, nu i och med att vi inte har några skor på oss.
Men får jag stänga dörren?
Nej, låt den...
Jag vill bara...
Ja, men... prova då.
Jag gjorde...
Det var ett lås på insidan. Så kan du öppna den nu.
Gärna. Hur gör man?
Yeah, they have actually... Kan du öppna den så jag får lite ljus nu när jag filmar? And yeah, they have actually fixed the issue on last year's model. The door opens outwards, so now it's a lot of space here. And the last model, it was open in, so we have to open the door like
man
that.
kan också sova här
Ja.
inne.
Ja. Stand there, close the door. So it's big inside, but now it's actually easy to get in it.
Pappa, jag vill bara prova det bort.
Nej, inte låsa. Nice storage. Sluta försök låsa. Big berth, double berth. And in here Yeah, it's actually room for 2 grown-ups.
Man kan fylla den.
Akta så du inte klämmer fingrar. And a really big juice opener.
Flush.